Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some mostly clear to partly cloudy skies out there this morning. Continue to see partly cloudy skies today with temperatures in the 80s for highs as well as lowering humidity values. So should be a very nice day overall today with slightly above average temperatures for the Wallops region. Looking at our current surface analysis, we have area high pressure off the southeast coast as well as a dry frontal boundary off to the north and to the west. It's going to be continue to move through the region this morning, and that will allow for us to have northwesterly winds across the area. And it is currently moving through the Delmarva Peninsula as we speak. Not going to see any precipitation with this front. It's just going to be a wind shift and allow for us to have some slightly gusty winds for the afternoon hours. Looking at our current conditions, as of 8:15 this morning, with a few at 5,000, a few at 25,000, wind at the 310 direction or northwest, 13 knots sustained, temperature at 79 degrees already at 8:15 this morning, and a relative humidity at 73%. Take a quick look at our satellite this morning. We have some low-level cloud cover just off the coast of Ocean City or the Maryland coastline. That's going to be continue to fizzle out or fade away. We have some cirrus south of the region. You're going to see some cirrus build in from the west associated with large complex of showers and thunderstorms across the Midwest and Great Lakes. It's going to be rotating over the ridge that we have across the eastern portion of the United States and providing us with some cirrus cloudiness for the afternoon hours. Looking at our HRRR model for today, we'll have those showers and thunderstorms that's going to be rolling through the Great Lakes and Midwest, as I mentioned, start to move over the ridge and fizzle out as they do, but we'll see some residual cirrus cloudiness moving over the Wallops region from those decaying showers and thunderstorms. And moving to the overnight time period, this is midnight tonight, nothing on the radar, just some upper level cirrus cloudiness across the region. So looking at our 24-hour risk chart, we'll see no chance of precipitation or lightning today. We'll have temperatures in the mid-80s to upper 80s, seeing a high around 85 to 86 degrees today. We'll have northwesterly winds this afternoon, sustained 13 to 18 knots, gusting to 27 knots, and that'll allow for us to have an orange for our winds over 25 knots. And we should be seeing those winds gusting about 25 to 27 knots this afternoon, so we'll most likely have to put out a wind advisory once those winds do reach 25 knots. And tonight we'll see a low of 63 degrees, partly to mostly cloudy skies with winds coming onshore anywhere from northeasterly to easterly at 8 to 13 knots overnight. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, we're going to have VFR conditions throughout the next 24 hours. We're going to see an increase, as I mentioned, to upper level cirrus cloudiness with a broken deck for the afternoon hours, 25,000 feet. We'll see a little bit of mid-level cloud cover moving in around 15 to 10,000 feet for the afternoon. And then by the evening hours, we'll see an increase of some mid-level cloudiness around 8,000 to 10,000 feet Saturday at 4 local. And we do have a slight chance of a light rain shower rotating through from 4 to 7 local Saturday morning. That's about a 10% chance of occurring. Some of the models are showing the residual moisture from one of those systems over the Midwest moving through the region. Don't expect it. We'll see any precipitation, but keeping about a 10% chance in the forecast. And by tomorrow morning, we'll just see partly to mostly cloudy skies across the region, fairly more comfortable temperatures, and the upper 60s. Our tides are currently normal, and looking at our weekend, we'll have partly to mostly cloudy skies and pleasant conditions on Saturday, a high of 73 degrees with a green chart. Saturday night, we'll have partly cloudy skies with a very slight chance of rain shower or thunderstorm moving in from the west. Have a low of 67 degrees, green chart, and that shower or thunderstorm chance looks to be about 10%. And Sunday, we'll see probably to mostly cloudy skies and hot conditions, a chance of an evening shower or thunderstorm. We'll have a high of 91 degrees, and we have a yellow for our precipitation and lightning for Sunday, running about a 30% chance of seeing those showers and thunderstorms during the evening hours. That's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. Back at 10 a.m. to look at the next 7 days.